Alright, it's the last example I'm working out. Hope this is not the first one you've clicked on, because I'm going to go a little bit faster on this one. We're going to do synthetic division first because you are scared of fractions. And we're going to deal with that. Alright, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fast. Set this guy equal to 0. Know what we're dividing by and all that other good stuff. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3x equals -1. By the way, if this is the first video you're watching, kudos to you for going out of order, but know that this does not mean this is the only video you have to watch. You want to go see the other ones. You need to practice this stuff. See it a bunch of times. Make sure everything clicks. Divide both sides by 3, and now I have x equals -1/3. That is going to be my, what I like to call the multiplier. It's going to be my number in the box. -1/3. He goes in a box. I'm going to take all these coefficients. As I do it, because this is not the first one you've seen, I'm going to fill in any missing terms, okay? And I like writing in purple, so I'm going to use red. So I have 6x to the 5th, 5x to the 4th, 1x cubed, -3x squared, 1x, and nothing times x to the 0th. Nothing without an x. Draw a line. Make my remainder sign right there by the end. Notice I line that up in between these two. There it is. That lets me know when I'm done, when I'm stopping, and what's going to be inside my other little box. Who gets behind the fraction bar? If you think about this as a fraction bar, you might get messed up because if, you know, this is what's going to be on top, not the bottom. But it's something. 6, bring him down. 6 times -1/3, that's -6/3, which happens to just be -2, right? That 5 plus -2 is 3. 3 times -1/3 is -3/3. I like to write that as that. That's how I write 3/3 every single time. That's what that line means, 3/3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times anything is 0. 0 plus anything is that other thing. And -3 times -1/3, that's positive 3/3. I told you, 3/3. I just make a little slash. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times -1/3 is -2/3. And they add up right there to -2/3. Now, you would say you're done. And you're be wrong, because we just really technically divided by x plus 1/3, right? Because that would get us to the exact same thing, minus 1/3. That's what we did. We divided by that guy, but we had that guy who is 3 times as big. Once, twice, 3 times as big. Okay, I'm not singing for you ever again. Now I get back, deal with that by dividing all of these guys by 3. That's what I left off. You were scared of fractions, so that's what we didn't do. So I'm going to divide everybody here by 3. Or multiply by 1/3 when it becomes convenient, when I already have a fraction. Anywhere I had a fraction, I just multiply by 1/3. Alright, and since it's the last one, I'm going to do this fast, right? I'm going to start off always one power less than what I had before. I had something x to the 5th, so I'm going to start with x to the 4th. So now I have 6 x to the 4th. By the way, I'm saying this stuff differently in every single video, so that if you watch all of the videos, something there is going to really solidify and click. And if you are confused, watch a different video, because I'm going to say it differently in the other video. Alright, plus 3x to the 3rd plus 0x squared minus 3x plus 2, no x, minus 2. I never divided by 3. I went into that speech about watching all the videos because I do it all differently, and I lost my train of thought. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 0 divided by 3 is 0. -3 divided by 3, -1. 2 divided by 3 is 2/3. Negative 2/3 times 1/3 is negative 2 over 9. Now, I start off 1 power less than that. So that's x to the 4th. This is x cubed. This is x squared. That's x. That's the remainder. This guy gets x plus 1/3 to go with him. And I'm just going to put in plus signs wherever I need space. And now I'm just going to tidy up that last little fraction guy and that 0 thing and all that good stuff and make it all one color. 2x to the 4th plus x cubed, skip him, minus x plus 2/3 minus 2 over, that's going to be 9x. And 9 times 1/3 is 9 over 3, which is just 3. And that is all she wrote. That does not have any mistakes in it, finally. Alright. And I went longer than the other videos. I apologize.